around here, and if you're planning a 4th of July picnic to celebrate, then we've got you covered here with some delicious snacks and doable snack ideas for your 4th of July picnic is lifestyle expert Amy Goodman. Hi. Happy almost 4th.
Yes.
I'm starting with the candy already.
Yes, of
Thank
course.
you very
a little
much.
sweet treat.
Little sweet treat. What do we got here?
Yes, I feel like picnics are great because I personally feel like food tastes better outside. Am I wrong?
Yeah,
Right?
that's
So
great.
yes.
No, it does,
So
yes.
we're gonna do first up watermelon on a stick. Food on a stick tastes better. Do you remember like in the 80s, like the hot dog on a stick?
Yeah, it's
and then
less-
popsicles and yes.
It's less messy.
Right. So we're going to just put a little incision in the watermelon. We're going to put the popsicle stick right up there. And it just makes it fun. You can reuse them also throughout. And it just elevates the
Very
watermelon
festive. Yeah.
presentation. Next up, these are our patriotic pinwheel sandwiches. You can't have a picnic without sandwiches. So cream cheese, red jam or blue jam,
Yum.
and then you top it with a red or blue fruit. So you have your red, white, and blue pinwheel sandwiches,
Yum.
and I love them because they're small bites and really good to go.
Yeah.
These are little caprices. If you want to start to build one, that's fine.
Yes, I will.
Of course, soak your toothpicks in a little bit of water so there is no shredding of that. Then we're going to build it. Actually, I recommend doing the half
Okay.
tomato
Half
on the
tomato
base,
first.
and then sandwich that with your caprese, which is classic summer, mozzarella, the basil, and then a berry twist. So we've added a blue colored berry or blackberry, and then also a
Oh.
strawberry, and then you finish the top again, my little hack, with the half of tomato. It kind of keeps the juices all together, and it's like very patriotic looking and is a very nice touch. I feel like
pretty.
summer begins with caprese. Yes.
That's nice. That's so nice.
So this is our red, white, and blue juices. So what we're doing is actually freezing juice. So red juices in an ice tray, then some blue juices in an ice tray, threw some blueberries in there, and to lemonade or even like a white cranberry juice, you can plunk in your ice cubes. So it actually freeze these, pop them out, put them in a resealable bag,
So
put them
easy,
in your
yeah.
cooler, right? They do melt, so the juices all melt together. It makes juices are basically fruit blends. So
Look,
there you
it's
go.
like the fireworks experiment from yesterday.
Oh yeah, that was.
Yeah.
I liked your version,
Yeah.
Kelly. I have to say,
Thank
and
you.
forgive my fingers, but
No,
they
that's
are clean,
nice.
and you can just pop them in there.
Great.
Nice.
So a
Cupcakes.
fireworks cupcake. By the time we
Cupcakes.
get to this point of the picnic, I'm exhausted. These are store-bought cupcakes.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
That's
It's
okay. Nobody, guess what?
Nobody
They're just
cares.
as good.
Yeah. So we've taken some licorice ropes.
Oh, sorry. I
Okay.
started eating it.
That's perfectly fine. That's part of the process when you're building it. And to a store-bought cupcake, which we added some red, white, and blue sprinkles here. We're going to separate our little vines into our licorice ropes and then just plug it in there like a little firework. Yes.
How did you figure out these separated?
Yes. Right. Ropes are really good.
Popcorn.
Our red, white, and blue popcorn. These are actually candy melts. It's very easy to do. You melt it in the microwave following the instructions. I like to work in 30-second batches. Add to that white popcorn. Don't do the butter because I like just the
Right,
clean
the
white
white,
with
yes.
salted.
Right.
It is a perfect blend of a little bit salty, a little bit sweet, and you got your red, white, and blue patriotic
All
popcorn.
right, picnic basket.
Yes.
What are the essentials?
So, we have a lot of things here. Let me give you my hot list. Serving pieces, because it's really hard to serve macaroni with a plastic fork.
Correct.
Don't forget your bug spray, okay, because there's
Definitely.
a lot of airborne things. And lastly, make sure you take a trash bag.
Always.
Leave Mother Nature as she was left.
All right, thank you, Amy. For these tips and more, head to our website. We'll be right back.